Jaq Bird Waterproof Travel Wet Bag, Hearts, by Jaq Jaq Bird is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. Get away from leaky, wet carrying bags with the manufacturer's extremely versatile wet pouch bag. This is the perfect bag to carry gym clothes, swimwear or towels. It is lightweight, durable, and doesn't fade, crack, or leak. Not only that, the manufacturer's wet pouch bag doesn't shrink or stain like most wet bags on the market. It is also reusable, recyclable, and eco-friendly, so you can have peace of mind while using this product. How to use. Place any wet towel, swimsuit or gym shorts into the bag. It will provide a leak and sweat-proof barrier. It is perfect for traveling. About them. At Jaq Jaq Bird, the manufacturer aimed to create kid-friendly products that children will love. After designing the manufacturer's chalk mat in 2005, the manufacturer has been featured on HGTV, CNBC, and Land of Nod, and have solidified myself as a leader in the marketplace. The manufacturer will continue to improve the manufacturer's current designs, while expanding the manufacturer's catalog with a plethora of high-quality, kid-friendly, green products. Provides you with a leak and sweat-proof barrier. Dries quickly so it can be ready when you are. Free of harmful chemicals such as lead, PVC, and BPA. Lightweight and durable, perfect for traveling. Easy to clean and machine washable.